you want to head over to mongodb.com, which is the official webpage of MongoDB. And here, download is the link we want to use. Now on the download center, make sure to use the right version, which would be the community server for the testing purposes here, then your operating system, and then the version you want to use, the default version, should be fine. Thereafter, you may download this, and depending on your operating system, you can also follow through the installation instructions here to understand how to use that download. On Windows, it should be installer. On OS X, it's this package. So let's simply download it here. You don't need to register there, it will start automatically. And after this download finished, I'll be back. I'm in the downloads folder where I downloaded this. On any operating system, you should be able to double click on it. And on Windows, it should start an installer, and Mac, it will give you this folder. Now this folder already has everything you need. In the bin folder, you have multiple executables you can run through the terminal. I will show you how to do that in a second, which allow you to start your Mongo server with this executable or your client with this executable. You may now move this whole folder and rename it to any place on your machine where you want to store it and where you later on also want to access it. Now, to successfully set up your environment to use MongoDB, then make sure to go to this quick start guide. It should automatically redirect to the one for your operating system. You may choose the right version otherwise here on the left. And make sure to follow these steps here. Now, we already did install it. The important part for us is to now configure it correctly. You may add this path variable here, but you don't need to do that. I will show you how to use it without this extra step here. But important is that you create this data directory here. So make sure to definitely follow this step here to set up this directory, which will be the directory holding the actual data later on. The directory we downloaded holds the server and the code we need to execute our server, but in this data directory, which you create with these easy steps here, the data will be stored thereafter. So make sure to execute the steps 1 and 2 there regarding running MongoDB. I'll come back to this in the next video.